Bismillahirrahmanirrahim, Assalamu alaikum, and good day. Reverse engineering is a problem-solving approach that involves working backward from the desired outcome to uncover the root of the issue. Think of it like figuring out why a cake didn't turn out right. You analyze each step of the process, from mixing ingredients to baking time, to pinpoint where things went wrong. This method helps break down complex challenges into manageable steps, enabling us to solve problems more strategically and uncover innovative solutions that may not be immediately obvious. Defining the problem is the foundation of effective problem solving. It requires gathering relevant information to understand the issue and clarifying its scope to ensure focus. For instance, if a company's customer satisfaction scores are dropping, the initial step might involve reviewing customer feedback, analyzing service delivery timelines, and understanding staff workload. Narrowing down the problem to specific areas such as slow response times allows for targeted and meaningful action rather than a broad and ineffective approach. Dissecting a problem involves breaking it into smaller, more manageable parts and understanding how these parts interact. For example, if a software product isn't meeting user expectations, you might divide the issue into components like user interface design, functionality, and technical support. By examining how these areas connect, such as poor interface design leading to increased support tickets, you can identify the core weaknesses and address them systematically. Identifying root causes means digging deeper to uncover the real reasons behind a problem rather than treating its symptoms. Imagine a school facing high dropout rates. Instead of attributing it solely to lack of motivation, the root causes might include inadequate teaching methods, lack of counseling, or financial hardships. By focusing on these underlying factors, like offering scholarships or enhancing teaching practices, you can create lasting solutions instead of temporary fixes. Exploring alternative perspectives encourages us to challenge assumptions and consider new angles. For instance, if a retail store is struggling to attract customers, instead of blaming external factors like competition, consider asking, what unique value can we offer? This might lead to ideas like introducing personalized shopping experiences or loyalty programs, which reframe the problem from one of competition to one of differentiation. Ideating creative solutions is about thinking outside the box to generate a variety of potential approaches. For example, when a community faces transportation challenges, traditional solutions might focus on adding buses, but creative brainstorming could lead to ideas like bike-sharing programs or carpooling apps. By evaluating these options and combining the best elements, innovative and practical solutions can emerge. Prototyping and testing involve creating small-scale versions of solutions to validate their effectiveness before full implementation. Imagine a restaurant wanting to add a new dish to its menu. It could test the dish as a limited-time offer to gather customer feedback. This process ensures that the solution meets real-world needs and can be refined based on input, reducing the risk of failure when launched on a larger scale. Iterating and refining focus on continuously improving solutions by analyzing their effectiveness and adapting based on feedback. For instance, a tech company launching a new app might release an initial version, gather user feedback, and update it with improved features based on that input. This cycle of evaluation and improvement ensures the solution evolves to meet users' needs effectively over time. Implementing a solution requires planning, executing, monitoring, and adjusting based on results. For example, a manufacturing company introducing a new workflow must create a detailed rollout plan, track its impact on production efficiency, and make necessary adjustments, such as reallocating resources or training staff further. This structured approach ensures the solution not only works, but also sustains its success in the long term. Reflecting on lessons learned helps identify key insights and recommendations for future challenges. For instance, a project team might realize that their initial scope was too broad, leading to delays, but the solution they implemented streamlined communication effectively. By documenting these insights, such as the importance of narrowing the scope and improving stakeholder engagement, the team can apply these lessons to future projects for even better outcomes. Thank you and have a nice day.